Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best eyeglass frames for men available on the market, the Versace VEI 1175B eyeglasses. Known for its blend of luxury, style, and quality craftsmanship, these frames truly stand out for anyone looking to elevate their eyewear game. The Versace VEI 1175B features a classic rectangular design that suits a wide range of face shapes, offering a timeless appeal. The frame is crafted from metal and finished in a stunning gold color that adds a touch of sophistication and elegance. This makes it an excellent choice for men who want a sleek yet bold look. The lenses are non-polarized demo lenses, with a diameter of 53 mm, perfectly sized for everyday wear without feeling bulky or oversized. Measuring 17 mm across the bridge and 135 mm in temple length, these frames provide a comfortable and secure fit. The temple and lens colors are a distinctive spotted brown, black, and crystal combination, which adds a subtle but stylish detail to the overall aesthetic. This unique color mix gives the frames versatility, making them easy to pair with both casual and formal outfits. One of the standout features of the VEI 1175B is its lightweight construction. Despite its sturdy metal frame, the glasses weigh just over 10 ounces, making them comfortable for extended wear without causing fatigue or pressure on the nose and ears. The build quality reflects Versace's commitment to luxury and durability, ensuring these frames won't just look good but last through daily use. These eyeglasses are imported and come from a reputable manufacturer, Versace, a brand synonymous with high fashion and quality. Since their release back in 2010, they have consistently maintained popularity among fashion-conscious men, ranking impressively in the women's eyewear frames category as well, showing their unisex appeal. The design is not only focused on style but practicality as well. The rectangular shape enhances peripheral vision and the sturdy temples help the frame stay securely in place. Perfect for those with an active lifestyle or anyone who wears their glasses throughout the day. When it comes to purchase, these frames are available through Amazon, with free delivery options to many regions, including India. The product dimensions are compact enough to fit in most standard eyeglass cases, making travel and storage convenient. While these frames come without prescription lenses, they are ideal for fitting with your custom lenses at any optical shop. To sum up, the Versace VEI 1175B eyeglasses combine luxury design, comfortable fit, and quality materials in a way that few others can match. If you're looking for eyeglass frames that are stylish, durable, and suitable for everyday wear, these are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews on top products. See you next time.